Hello, my name is John Gibbons, and I'm with the Security Product Success team here at ServiceNow. And today I would like to talk about vulnerability response exclusion rules. A brief safe harbor notice. So today I'd like to go over just a brief overview of exclusion rules, and then we'll jump into a demo and walk through how to configure and some other topics. So exclusion rules provide a way to filter or exclude detections from creating a vulnerable item during the ingestion. Now the detections will still be created, but the associated vulnerable items will either not be created or they'll be closed depending on how you configure this. Some good examples are excluding vulnerabilities, maybe with a low severity or risk, or maybe you have some certain findings that you can't remediate, but you still want to be able to track those within the system. Now, by doing this, the major benefit is you're going to reduce the processing time during the data import by excluding a percentage of detections from VIT creation. Okay, so let's jump into a quick demo here. So here you can see we have some exclusion rules here. We've already created some. If we take a look at these, you can see here, for example, if we take a look at this one, we're looking for specific IP addresses to be excluded from creating a vulnerable item. Likewise, right, we have maybe we don't want to create any vulnerable items for incomplete IP associated devices. Again, right, if we take a look at this one here, this one we're looking for something that exists within the proof and a specific vulnerability. Now, what this does is if we take a look at the detections here, if we take a look at these ones here, you can see that the detection is still created, but there is no associated vulnerable item. And it also stamps these detections with the rule that was used to exclude that. Now, the other thing to note here, there is a property here. This property is the close VIT with excluded detections. And what this property does is this will go ahead and close any vulnerable items when a detection matches a rule, right? So for any existing detections, so let's say we put this rule in and you have an existing detection that comes in with an update after you put this rule in. What will happen is if we take a look here, this invalid detection, you can see that the detection still remains open, but that this associated VIT gets closed with a substate or a reason of excluded. So this is a good way to go ahead and inject this logic. If you're kind of in the middle, you can use this to go ahead and close any vulnerable items that you need to have done. So with that, here's some more information. Here's a docs link for the exclusion rules overview, and I appreciate your time today. Thank you.